Good morning, guys. It is a beautiful day here today. I don't know how long it's going to last because it says that it's meant to be like 100% chance of rain right now, but it's not raining. Anyways, I am just out for a run. It is really long because it's already 10 to 8. Nick is editing a video for you guys, and then not really sure what we're going to do today. I think we're going to go fishing a little bit later. We have to fix a few things because our freezer in the car has not been working, so that's fun. We have to go through and throw everything out because everything defrosted and now it smells really bad. So we're going to clean all of that out and stuff today. And then if this weather stays like this, we might go out on the boat a bit earlier than we planned. Not sure, we'll just have to see. But have a look. I could just sit here all day if it was like this. We have had a change of plans, so we're going to fix the fridge later because it is a really nice day. For the time being, I just reckon that those mountains, I don't know if that's going to focus. That is not focusing at all. It's just grey, like pure grey. So it is lunchtime though. Nick had to edit, so we're only just leaving now. But it's been the most spectacular day all day. So
it's dark out there, but we should be sweet. We're sending back to Machin's Barron, and it's about a 5-10k run to this little island around the headland to the right down the river. So hopefully we can beat the wind. The rain not so much matters, but the wind says
it's only going to be, oh,
this guy's just coming.
Jesus, this guy just pulled out in front of us. Sorry. He's not supposed to. Anyways.
Cut. Next.
Yeah, so I think the wind says it's only getting up to 7 knots.
Yeah, but 3.5 minutes in.
Yeah, so
5 more minutes, see how we go.
Bit more my way. You want your back wheel at the water? Go a little bit more? Yeah, righto. We are on the boat, ready to go. Look at the nice blue skies over here. And then as we turn around, we are going to get absolutely pumped by rain. Hopefully. It's not too bad. We both got rain jackets, but we'll see.
We've just got a big hard body out at the moment. We're just trolling along here for some redfin salmon. It's a bit of an overkill rod, but my other one's kind of like 12 pound braid, so you probably won't be able to pull one in. Yeah, we've just got a big hard body trolling along, and I'm going to stop up here and we'll just flick a line along the wall. So yeah, we'll see what we can find or not find. Okay, so we're at the mouth of the Barron River, so we're going the right way this time. We've just come south a bit, like from where we went in over there, came out the mouth over there. We sort of fished that rock wall, not really too much, but Beck's brother said to troll a hard body for some threadfin salmon along this beach and the mouth there. That's just behind Beck now. And I think the inlet's just over there. You can see to the left there's a bit of like deeper water to the left there, so I'm just going to go in and then sort of to the left around that way out to where those breaking waves are and just troll this lure and see what we can find. We'll get it and see how we go.
See? It's going unique, I reckon. I reckon it's just the waves.
Maybe?
going? I don't know. Probably not anymore. It did go though. Like it went zzz. Didn't you hear it? How do you know? What?
Oh, there's like a bit of braid on it. Must be a lure down there.
We have just come to fish under the bridge. Well, it's not really a bridge, it's where the planes land. And look how dark it's getting. It's just started raining on us for the first time. Oop, there's a plane landing now. This is a small one. We just had a really big plane land over us. It was really, really different. There is a wetland just there. They might be in it. I don't know if you guys can see this, but Nick has cast it.
Oh, yeah, I caught a bridge.
And it's gone through the bridge. It's like gone like that there. Oh, it's stuck up the top.
I thought I could go fast. Like...
Oh, I think it's... Maybe if you go down a bit.
Hello! Nick the bouncing lure.
I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is pretty funny. Oh, it's through like a grate, Nick. See, it's grated. You can see the grate underneath the bridge. Thoughts on being a fisherman? Is there someone coming?
Yeah, it's real awkward. I was pretending I'm fishing.
I've got the funniest giggle when I laugh. Sorry, guys. Nick acting casual. As another boat goes by.
Imagine if we catch a barra. Oh, look, it's still working well.
Where is it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's in the water. I think you need to take up a new hobby. It's not even going to snap. Snapped it. Did it drop down?
No, it's stuck up there.
Oh, it's stuck up there. Nick has, oh, that's a bit blurry. Nick has tied a new lure on from after losing his.
Pretty sure the hooks are big, but whatever.
Yeah, we didn't have any smaller
Z-Man,
hooks.
soft plastic. I got a small one, but we get a big barra. You want to hook him?
Oh, God.
Probably not, but
We'll probably head in soon because it's starting to pour down and we don't want to get too wet out here, even though we're already wet.
First cast. On the money. Last cast. I might see how we go. I might take back home and come back. This is the last cast for this one, ready? Straight on the pole. So tattletale, so we'll give it a little slow line after it sinks a bit. Righto. That's it for this time. Didn't have any luck. I'm not the most patient person, so that's probably my biggest thingy, but yeah, it's hard. I wouldn't mind this sound so we can see what we're doing.
Yeah, that would be helpful.
And a bit of fishing skills, that would also help. But anyway, we had some fun, didn't we?
Yeah, we did. We're going to pull up the anchor and head back in just to try and get out of some of this rain.
Yep.
We both don't want to get sick getting wet every day in the rain. We are back at the boat ramp, which is interesting because we have to park it up. Nick has to run up and grab the car, and we have to get it up and on because there's a resident croc around this boat ramp somewhere. And there's fish jumping over there.
Do not do this.
Yeah, do not try this at home. Nick has just gone to go grab the tinny up the trailer. I am filling with the tinny, but I'm not getting into the water because, as you can see, there's like nothing to hold on to. There's one cleat, and then you're literally submerged into the crocky infested water. So we're up on the ramp, and Nick will reverse down in a second, and then he might come back out. We'll just see. I've got a few things I need to do with Instagram and YouTube, so we'll just see. It's only 3 o'clock, so plenty of hours in the day left. This is the part that scares me the most. Nick is ankle deep in there.
Don't do this.
Pushing the tinny on. Oh my god. This is so concerning for me. Luckily the camera's a bit blurry. He probably won't use this footage. I'm getting bitten everywhere. Do you want some help? So we just quickly put it on. We're just concerned it might fall a little bit off because it's not in the center. Oh, it's perfectly in the center. Good job. Now goodbye to the crocky boat ramp. We got out of the water because it was pouring down, and now it's just lightly sprinkling on and off, and there's like literally no rain. But we are going to go do a run at a botanical gardens. I'm not 100% sure of the location or the track, but once we get there, we'll let you know. I think it's about 3 or 4k.
Yeah.
So it's uphill with some stairs, and then obviously on the way back is downhill. How are you feeling about it, Nick?
Pretty keen, actually.
Don't look that excited.
I'm a bit hungry, yeah. Got a bit of a headache, but I'll be alright. Need some water.
And now we're going to do it.
Hey guys, we just got back from Cairns Botanical Gardens. Went there for a run up at like some lookout, like 4k's total. They got like up heaps of stairs and stuff. And we just got back and we're trying to shoot to the surf club to grab dinner.
The lookout where we ran looks over the airport. It's actually really cool.
Yeah.
It's really nice there.
Yeah, sick.
You can do heaps of walks in the Botanic Gardens, and there's heaps of stuff to do there. So if we have more time, we might check it out. But we've got a pretty busy schedule ahead of us. But we'll see what happens.
Yeah, we'll see how we go.
But now we're going for a big feed because we both have not eaten enough
I've
food
eaten once today.
Yeah.
Anyway,
We need food.
we're hungry. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching, guys. That's another video done. If you like this one, leave a like, and if you want to see more, subscribe.